Hey Martymarfamily, it's me, Ellie! Are you ready for an incredible day filled with fun? Let's get started and make some awesome memories together. First up, we're planting a garden. Look at all these seeds. We've got sunflower seeds, tomato seeds, and carrot seeds. Let's start with the sunflowers. Plant them deep and give them a little water. Can anyone guess how tall they'll grow? Martymarfamily, show us your garden pictures. Next is Art Day. Who loves to paint? Today, I'm making a big rainbow. Watch how I mix my colors. Look! Red and blue make purple. What colors do you like to use? Share your art creations with us. Reading is so much fun. Today, I'm reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Let's see what happens. What do you think he'll eat next? What's your favorite book? Comment below and let me know. Ellie in the kitchen wearing a cute apron. Ellie, we're going to bake cookies. Who loves cookies? Let's gather our ingredients: flour, sugar, and chocolate chips. Make sure an adult helps you handle the oven. Try baking cookies at home and share your recipes with us. Ellie at a table full of science supplies. Ellie, time for some science. We're making a fizzy volcano. For this experiment, we need baking soda and vinegar. Watch the fizz. Science is so cool. What other experiments do you want to try? Try this at home and share your results. Ellie in a local park, magnifying glass in hand. Ellie, let's explore the great outdoors. I see flowers, bugs, and so much more. Nature is amazing. Can you spot the ladybug? What have you found in your backyard? Go explore nature today and tag us in your adventure photos. Ellie sitting under a shady tree, smiling. Ellie, what an incredible day filled with fun activities. From gardening to dancing and baking, every moment was a blast with the Martymarfamily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join us for more adventures. What should we do next? Comment below. See you next time. Ellie waves goodbye.